going on, everyone? Today's the 26th of July, 2023. Real quick, I'm going to talk about VeChain today and see if it's time for us to pull out this particular position, this forecast, because price had stalled since we did our last video. You guys can see it right here. I did a video for VeChain on July the 8th, 2023, updated you all on the 15th of July, and said I wasn't going to change the price prediction, but so far over the last 3 days, we've seen some more weakness enter in. So what does it mean? Does it mean that the price in VeChain is about to go lower? Because if so, then we definitely need to go ahead and jump ship. Now, before we do jump ship, if we are, then we need to recognize that we did see some opportunity to bag some profit into the market in VeChain. Right there on the 13th, even there on the 14th, did the update video on the 15th, and price ever since the 15th, you all can tell that price has been obeying this downtrend line. Yeah, the market's been obeying it. Like, it's been having issues to try to break above this descending line, which takes us all the way back here to February the 22nd, 2023. So that's the problem. Should we let this particular market go and expect price to continue to go lower? Because one, price has failed to break above that descending line, and then two, we saw this indicator weakness right there. It's just that simple. So hopefully you was able to grab some of this profit into the market from VeChain from our last price prediction. If not, if you were to get out of the market right now, you would be down $1, 1.5%, which will occur if you don't have a plan of exit to leave with the profit. Check this out. Let's talk about it, because this area right here is still applicable for VeChain. This area to hold support right there around 0.018. That is still a valid area of support. But seeing that we did get some weakness on the 24th of July, that is becoming more worrisome that the buyers will continue to hold it. Let's look at VeChain real quick on the 2-day chart. And again, you guys can see a pretty wide spread on the last 2 days, which also tells us that the buyers are not necessarily interested in buying VeChain at these levels. Here it is on the 3-day chart, 13 hours and 12 minutes left, and we're still currently seeing price in VeChain showing a lack of interest of going up. Check out VeChain on the 5-day chart. This is a little bit better, and I wanted to show you this as to how many 5-day price bars the market in VeChain could not break above 2 pennies. 2 measly pennies the market could not break above on how many 5-day price bars? Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 5-day price bars, 35 days. This market in VeChain could not break above 2 pennies. Take a look at VeChain on the weekly. Here it is on the 2 weeks. Okay. Check it out on the 3. I would say on the 2 weekly time frame, pulling it back, this is a probable precursor of strength. So at the ending of this trading week, if this current 2 weekly price bar ends up closing higher than the previous 2 weeks, then there's definitely still buying coming into the market. Okay, even though we're currently seeing price get rejected on our downtrend line. So this week is going to be crucial to seeing whether or not the market buyers are still here or not, even here on the 3 weekly time frame. Okay, so let me look at this on the 330-minute chart, and as of right now, I'm not too ecstatic to see buyers enter into the market in VeChain. This has been opportunity right here for the market to go up, and as you can tell, it's been on a slow decline. Okay, so the market may in fact come back down to test point 018. Here it is on the 5-hour chart, and currently, yeah, I'm not seeing a lot of emphasis of strength on the charts. 7 hour, let's look at this on the 15. Okay, so one of the biggest reasons why I'm not really bullish into the market of VeChain is because of this 15-hour price bar. You guys can see an up fake and a push to go down bar was generated on that 15-hour price bar, which lets me know that the market definitely is trending to the downside. Now, just because we got those 2 indicators on one 15-hour price bar doesn't mean that the market's going to crash. We can see here that buyers could still hold price. So I definitely want to put that into your mentality as we look forward to VeChain going to the downside. Okay, so that's going to be our price prediction. We're going to look for the market in VeChain to go lower. Now, even though we're looking for price to go lower, as long as VeChain's price holds this 0.018, then the market more or less is going to try to hold this range. It's going to try to consolidate within this trading channel. Okay, seeing price break below 0.018, then we are going to continue to see the market of VeChain follow this downtrend line. Okay, so which one do you think is more applicable right now? I will say that this support area 0.018 is more applicable in VeChain, but we're going to keep these lines on the chart. That's my first target though, 0.018. And then my second target is going to be right there around like 0.017. It's not too much. Like I said, I do suspect that the market is not that weak. Buyers could definitely approach around 0.018, 0.017 to keep this market from really crashing to the downside. But we'll see how this goes. Okay. So give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.